Illinois, Stammer Boy, sejadi dayong. What's up guys, balik lagi sama gue Habibie. Gimana nih kabar kalian? Sehat-sehat kan? Harus sehat lah, karena kesehatan itu nomor 1 guys. Dan semoga kalian rezekinya dilancarkan, ngalir terus gitu guys, amin. Ya pokoknya yang terbaik lah buat kalian. Seperti biasa, kita balik lagi ke konten ometv guys. Tapi sebelum masuk ke kontennya, buat kalian yang belum dengerin single gua, kalian bisa cek langsung di channelnya RIVE Music atau di platform musik digital kesayangan kalian guys. Jadi gini guys, video liriknya kan diupload di RIVE Music tuh. Dan nanti untuk musik videonya bakal diupload di channel gua guys. Di sini nih. Anyway, thank you banget guys buat kalian yang udah support gua dari awal sampai sekarang ini. Nah, sekarang mah hayu kita cari bule yang cantik, kita nyanyiin. Gaskeun. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Hi. Oh, you play.
Yeah, I play guitar. You want to
I
listen?
play as well.
Oh, you play as well?
Kinda.
Come on, play together. You have a guitar
Wait.
there?
Huh?
Yeah, you have a guitar?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, come on. Try to
Okay.
play together.
I don't know how to play much.
It's okay. Just having fun.
I borrowed it.
Where your guitar?
Huh.
Ah, cool. Come on, try to play.
What can you... Wait, it's not tuned.
Anyway,
Wait,
what is your name? What is your name?
It's... Oh, yeah.
Aya. Aya. Ah. And my name is Habibie.
Your name is Habibie?
Yeah, Habibie.
Real? For real?
For real. Swear to God. Where are you from?
Iraq.
Ah. Are you Muslim?
Yes.
Ah, me too.
Really? Do you fast?
Yeah, I do. But now it's finished. It's
Yes,
night
same.
here. Same?
Same.
What time is it there?
10:30.
10:30.
Yeah.
Come on,
What
play.
can you play? What can... No, I don't know how to play much.
It's okay, just maybe... Okay, I will play for you and then you play for me.
Okay.
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 Hope you like it.
I will.
Ready?
Yes.
I can wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you till then. I've been running from me, tired of running from me, scared of feeling something now I'm stuck and trying to get up out this hole. I tried to make it work, I've been feeling too numb. I can wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you till then.
That's really good. Wait, I'll clap for you.
Ah, it's such an honor. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Ah, nice. Yeah, I'm great.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Wow.
Yeah,
I'm
how old are you?
I'm 20.
20. Really?
Yeah.
Ah. What is your name?
My name is Alina.
Alina.
What's your...
Alina.
Yeah.
My name is Habibie.
Habibie? Really?
Yeah, really. So yeah, I wanna sing for you, Alina. You wanna
Yeah,
hear?
that's great.
But actually, my feeling it's kinda sad right now. So I wanna
It's okay.
sing sad song. Is that okay? It's okay?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
listen to sad songs. Sad songs.
Okay. We had a kind of love I thought that it would never end. Oh my lover, oh mother, oh my friend. You gave everything this golden glow, the turn of all the darkest design. There it hurts like so to let somebody go. To let somebody go. Thank you. I can hear you. You have no sound. You have no voice. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm great. Where are you from?
That's not.
Thank you.
I'm from Poland.
Poland. Anyway, I'm from Indonesia.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
You know?
Yes, I know Indonesia, of course.
Nice, nice. What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Sarah.
Yes, that's right. And what's your name?
My name is Habibie.
Habibie?
Habibie.
Habibie.
Yeah,
Oh,
Habibie.
it's pretty.
Thank you. Anyway, Sarah, I wanna sing for you because I have a guitar here.
Oh yeah, I see.
You wanna listen?
Yes, of course.
Okay. But actually, this is a sad song. It's okay? This is a sad song.
Yes. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. How was I to know? It's a crazy thing. So you man, you still let me in. And who was I to stay? That is meant to be. The road was the broken, brought us together. And I know you could fall for 1,000 king and heart that will give you a diamond ring. Well, I'll fold. You see the best in me, the joker and the queen, the joker and the queen.
Wow, that was so pretty. I love your voice. You're so talented.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
It was so cool. Oh my god.
Okay, thank you.
You
Thank
should
you.
do a
Oh.
YouTube channel or something like that.
Yeah, actually, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh,
Yeah,
could you like write it on the chat so
Sure,
I can
sure.
subscribe you?
Okay, wait. I'm doing a capoeira music. I'm singing to people in ometv. Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you? Can you sing?
Yeah, sure. I have a guitar here.
Then sing.
Yeah. Anyway, what is your name?
Tamila.
Chamila. Ah, where are you
And what
from?
do you want?
My name is Habibie.
Habibie?
Yeah, Habibie.
Habibie means in Arab.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
You're right.
that's
it's
a
mean-
cool name.
Thank you. And what are you doing right now? Are you eating something?
You know these ones?
Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I want to sing for you, Camila.
Yeah.
When you hear before,
Another song.
can I look in the eyes?
RIVE.
You're just like an angel. Your skin make me cry. But I'm afraid. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, seas running out again.
So good.
Seas running out, seas run, seas run.
So good.
Thank
I know
you,
the song.
thank you so much.
Radiohead.
Yeah, you're right. Creep
I'm
Radiohead.
a creep.
Oh my God.
Go.
Tamila, are you for real originally from Germany, or what's your nationality?
You know Chechnya?
Chechnya?
It's like a republic in Russia, independent from Russia.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Anyway, I like your hairstyle. Yeah, ponytail, like Ariana Grande.
But
See.
I don't have like straight hair. I have normally my natural hair is a bit like that, like wavy.
Wavy. But it's good. I like it.
Thanks. I have to go now because I have to eat.
Ah, appreciate that. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi,
Hi.
I love it.
You love it? Ah,
Yeah.
my guitar?
Yeah.
Okay, I wanna play for you if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a Charlie Puth song, and
Oh.
yeah, the
Yeah.
the title is Light Switch. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Why you calling 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, where I go right back, yeah. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. No, I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight trip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Okay. Thank you.
Wow, you have a beautiful voice. I swear, this is wonderful.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And anyway, I don't even know your name. What is your name?
Also, my name is Una.
Una?
Yeah, Emily
Emily?
and
And who?
Shahid.
Sahe. Ah.
Yeah.
And my name is Habibie. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. I live in Indonesia. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I wanna ask you to Una.
Una.
Yeah. What's your nationality?
Arabic. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Syrian.
Ah. Okay, guys. It's nice to talking to you. I am so happy. So bye bye. Have a nice night. Bye.
Bye.
Crying ocean is still happy chosen. Hi.
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you guys?
Yeah, we are nice. We are good.
You can
Yeah.
sing really nice.
Thank you so much. And yeah, we want to sing for you if you want to listen.
Thank you. I actually love music. I'm in a band too, so
Oh,
yeah.
the band?
Yeah.
What kind of band? Your genre,
It's
I
kind
mean.
of like cover songs.
Ah, nice. What's your favorite musician?
Well, I actually don't have a favorite. It depends on, like, I'm kind of like go with it. I don't know. I don't really have a particular favorite song.
Okay, that's okay. So, ready for singing?
Ready?
Okay. I didn't see it coming, but I never really had much faith in the universe's magic. Oh no, till I put us to the time and place. And I never forget when the floodgate opened. We cried in ocean. It still has me choking. It's hard to explain. I know you know me. You don't have to show me. I feel you lonely. No need to explain. So don't say you love me, fala emo. Just let your heart speak up and I know. No metaphor can never find a way to make sense of this. So I wanna your mother tongue.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
It's really good. It's
Thank
really
you so
good.
much.
Like, what's
like
your
it?
band name?
What's band name? What's my band name?
Yeah,
Danless.
Danless.
Danless. My name's
Danless.
my band name's is Trivia.
So you as an
Yeah,
As
I'm
a
a lead
vocalist
singer
or-
in the-
singer?
yeah. But I,
Try it.
I'm not
come on,
so
try
good
it.
at it, I think.
No. Just like singing to people and making people happy. So that's the point, right?
Yeah.
So
I
I
don't
wanna.
know. Can I have a request for you?
Sure.
Do you
Sure.
guys know Bruno Mars?
Bruno Mars? Yeah.
What song do you like about him? From him?
Mine is Talking to the Moon. What about you?
Yeah, you should sing that for me. I love
Really?
that song.
Talking to the Moon?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will sing with you.
Okay, wait. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. I want you back. Nice. At night when the stars light up my room, find myself. Come on.
Into the moon.
The moon.
It's my sister. It's my sister.
Oh, your sister?
It's my sister. It's my wife.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Very beautiful.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
play music. м, как
Music, play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I can wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I keep running just to find a way to you. Till then, I've been running from it, tired of running from it, scared of feeling something. Now I'm stuck and trying to get up out of this hole. I try to be strong, I try to make it work, but I've been feeling so numb. I can wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you. Till then, thank you,
Best man.
thank you, thank you. I can sing Russia song,
Russian song.
Russian song, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Da-da. Okay. Возьми меня, люби меня, укрой той пеленой, став мы собой, зажатый даем.
Слушай.
Той пеленой, став мы собой, зажатый даем.
Real best man. Russian song.
Yes, yes.
I didn't see it coming, but I never really had much faith in the universe's magic. Oh no, till I put us to the time and place. And I never forget when the plot gets open. We cried in ocean. It still has me choking. It's hard to explain. I know you know me. You don't have to show me. I feel you lonely. No need to explain. So don't say you love me if I anymore. Just let your heart speak up and down. No more, not for good, ever find a way to make sense of this. So I wanna hear your mother tongue.
It's very cool.
Forever we